Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you an amazing AI tool called Hailuo AI Video Generator. The latest Hailuo 2.3 update takes AI video creation to the next level with realistic motion, facial micro-expressions, stylized visuals, and even 4K output. And the best part? It now includes a powerful cinematic lighting system called Light Studio, giving you full control over the mood and atmosphere of your videos. Whether you want AI short films, social media content, marketing videos, or cinematic ads, this tool can do it all. Let's dive in. Hailuo AI is an AI-powered video generator developed by Minimax. It can turn text prompts or images into fully animated videos. Key capabilities include text to video, image to video, AI avatars and characters, and multiple video models like Hailuo 2.3, Veo 3.1, Nine Sora 2, and Nano Banana Pro for stunning 4K output. It also includes templates for viral trends like dance, ads, horror, and restyle. And with Hailuo Agent, you can generate images, videos, audio, and music all in one platform. Plus, with the new Light Studio feature, you can completely transform your scene's lighting with just one tap or fine-tune it like a professional filmmaker. First, go to hailuo.video and click Sign Up. Register with Google or email and enter the dashboard. Now you're ready to start creating AI videos. In the prompt box, type a detailed description. For example, a cinematic shot of a futuristic city at night, neon lights everywhere, flying cars between skyscrapers, cyberpunk vibe, ultra-realistic 4K video, select aspect ratio 16:9, style, cinematic, duration, default, then click Generate. The AI will create your video in just seconds. Now let's create a video from an image. First, generate an image using Hailuo Agent or the built-in image generator. For example, a cute golden retriever in a sunny park, soft lighting, ultra-realistic, high detail. Once your image is ready, upload it into the image to video section. Then add a motion prompt like a cute golden retriever running in a sunny park, slow motion, cinematic camera movement, realistic sunlight. Click Generate and watch your static image come to life with smooth, realistic motion. Now here's where things get really powerful, Light Studio. With just one tap, you can apply cinematic lighting presets that instantly change the entire mood of your scene. For example, you can switch from a bright daytime look to a dramatic, moody atmosphere in seconds. And if you want more control, you can adjust everything manually: light direction, intensity, color temperature, and even multiple light sources. Type a prompt like a confident businesswoman walking into a modern office building, cinematic camera tracking, realistic lighting. This works perfectly for ads, storytelling, and social media content. For products, Hailuo 2.3 ensures stable, high-quality representation. You can even enhance the mood further using Light Studio to match luxury, dramatic, or soft commercial lighting styles. Adjust the video style, aspect ratio, motion type, and quality. 4K output and multiple model options are available. Use start and end frames for precise storytelling. You can combine it with lighting adjustments for cinematic results. Click Preview to check motion, expressions, lighting, and overall style. Once satisfied, click Save. Your video is exported as an MP4, ready for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or any platform. Hailuo AI 2.3 brings next-level motion control, stylization upgrades, and realistic micro-expressions. And with Light Studio, you can completely change the storytelling just through lighting. Try ideas like same scene, different lighting. Watch this transformation. No camera change, no editing, just lighting. This feels like a full film setup, but it's AI. You can animate dances, fight scenes, anime-style action, or luxury products in cinematic quality. And with Hailuo Agent, you can create images, videos, audio, and music, all from one AI tool. So that's how you can create professional AI videos using Hailuo AI 2.3. With realistic motion, cinematic visuals, and now full lighting control through Light Studio, you have everything you need to create high-quality content. Hailuo AI is an AI-powered video creation tool by Minimax that turns text into cinematic videos. It helps you bring your ideas and storyboards to life easily, without complex editing. You can use it on their official website or install the app from iOS and Android stores by searching Hailuo AI. Subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.